Most people get this wrong. They think all CRMs are the same, but the surprising truth about NetSuite CRM is that it's not just a contact manager. It's a full cloud-based platform designed to streamline sales, marketing, and customer service in one integrated system. NetSuite CRM offers lead and opportunity management, sales forecasting, workflow automation, and real-time analytics. You won't believe what happens next. It also integrates with ERP and e-commerce tools, which means your customer data, financials, and operations can all connect seamlessly without juggling multiple platforms. Getting started involves signing up and customizing the dashboard for your business. You can track leads, automate follow-ups, and set up performance reports. For example, if a lead shows interest in a product, NetSuite can automatically trigger an email or task for your sales team, keeping engagement timely and efficient. A standout feature is real-time analytics. You can view dashboards that show sales trends, customer interactions, and pipeline health at a glance. This helps managers make data-driven decisions quickly. Another advantage is its scalability. It's suitable for small businesses, but can grow to meet enterprise-level needs. However, there are some limitations. The learning curve can be steep, especially if your team is new to CRMs. Customization is powerful, but may require time or professional support. Pricing is on the higher side, reflecting its robust features and enterprise focus. In conclusion, NetSuite CRM is ideal for businesses that want a fully integrated system to manage sales, marketing, and customer service. It's not the cheapest or simplest option, but if you need powerful automation and analytics, it's worth considering. Subscribe for more honest reviews to help you choose the right CRM for your business.